Hey guys, this is a tutorial. I'm going to be showing you quickly on how to fix the black screen on OBS. First what you want to do is, this is only for nvidia users, so this will only work for nvidia users. So what you want to do is right click your desktop or something, go to the video control panel, or I just did that. So just wait a bit. And what you want to do is go to manage 3D settings, and basically what you want to do is select your graphics card. And so I basically picked integrated graphics, so that's why it was black screen. But if you have like two graphics, then you want to set everything on one graphics card. So program settings, and take it a bit because I have a lot of applications, as you can see. And as you can see, whoops. Okay, yeah. And you can choose, hold on, I want to scroll. Okay, you can choose whatever you have to either choose this and it's integrated graphics, and you want to choose it as high performance, or your nvidia processor, or your graphics card. And you can use your global settings, so you can use this one, but it's the same thing. Could change it right now, but it'll set my screen to black. Just mess around with it. If you have like 3, then just put 1 as a, I don't know, for some reason I don't know, just mess around with it, and then like it'll go and broadcast at a different graphics card. And this is a quick tutorial. Just mess around with it until it broadcasts, and try to restart your OBS once you do so. If it's still, just try, I don't know. And if that's not the case, if that doesn't work, just try this. Just try to, if you have I'm using 64-bit, try to install the 32-bit, and I think it might work. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye bye.